What's up, y'all? Back at it, like a crack addict, with another one. What's this video about? This one is about 5 ways to raise your vibration. Okay, today I'm presenting you with 5 ways, 5 quick and easy ways you can easily put into your daily rotation in order to raise your vibration. First off, let's get into, if you're new to this type of content, if you're new to this shit, what is a vibration? Alright, so if you look at the string theory, it states that everything on the smallest molecular base is built up on strings. This is built on strings. Everything is built up on strings that is vibrating at a certain rate. Whatever rate that it is vibrating at is what it is created. You know what I'm saying? A vibration is infinite. Okay, there's infinite types of vibrations you can have. So how does this relate to your inner being? How does this relate to spirituality? You are, of course, built up of atoms, which, according to this theory, you're built up on strings, right? So you vibrate. You can vibrate like this, or you can vibrate like this. The higher you vibrate, the better mood you are in, the more concentrated you are, just the better, the more godlike state that you are at. Okay, so if you vibrate very lowly, you're not gonna manifest nothing. You're not gonna create your own reality. You're vibrating at a very low state. But if you're vibrating high, you are more towards that godlike state. I really hope you guys get what I'm saying. Look into string theory. Basically, a higher vibration, the better you are. A lower vibration, the shittier you are. To sum it up, 5 ways to raise your vibration. Number 1, eat slower. Okay, eat slower. Start enjoying your meals more. Okay, so when a lot of people eat, they want to eat fast. They want to go quickly. I even do it sometimes. If you look into like psychology and people's personality, if a person eats faster, that means like they're an ambitious person, they're a go-getter, they're blah 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 blah. If somebody eats slower, that means they're relaxed, they take their time with things. Eating fast as fuck, but that's not good for you. That's not good for your stomach. That's not good for your digestion. You want to take your time with your meals. You want to go slower. It makes you feel fuller. It makes you feel more gratitude for the meal. Gratitude is a very important part of raising your vibration. It is a very important part of creating abundance in your life. Gratitude, okay? So yes, eat slower. Like before you begin your meal, you know how you be praying and shit. When you begin your meal, you know, start your meal off with a prayer. I personally do not subscribe to any religious beliefs, but I do start my meal with I want to thank the universe for blessing me today with this meal. You know, or even if I'm working or something, or I gotta like eat quick, I just say thank you. I just be like thank you to the universe. Thank you to my higher self for putting this meal in front of my face. Because you got to realize a lot of people don't be eating like that. People in America, people in, you know, other first world countries, we can eat whenever the fuck we want, right? But a lot of people can't eat like that. Even people in America, there's a lot of people homeless that can't eat like that. So you gotta have gratitude for what you got, right? If you ain't got gratitude for what you do have, then you're gonna have less. Trust me about that. All right, gratitude is the key to abundance. I'll make a video about that, but we're gonna get to number 2, bitch. Meditation. Meditation is a very important part of your daily practice, and it should be a very important part of your daily practice. Meditation is clearing out the subconscious mind. It's clearing out the subconscious mind. Okay, at least in your beginning of meditation, you should try your best to clear out your subconscious mind. What you want to do when you meditate is you want to breathe it in, give yourself like 5 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes my inhale is like 10 seconds, and then my exhale is like 10 seconds. Okay, so that's a 20-second breath, bro. Dude, meditation, all it is focusing on your breath, bro. It's not complicated. It's not some crazy voodoo spiritual practice. All it is focusing on your breath. That's all you gotta do is focus on your breath, bro. And it helps clear out a lot of bullshit that's in your mind. Because you gotta realize, once you are born into this matrix, once you are born into this illusion, you will have a lot of bullshit from the subconscious mind that you have to clear out. It's just how it is. Big tip for meditation: do not try to control your thoughts. Controlling your thoughts aren't gonna make them go away, buddy. You want to let your thoughts flow. Let them leave naturally. Let them leave with the breath. So you're sucking in. You have a thought like, I want to kill people, some crazy shit. Let that lead. Let that thought leave with the breath, bro. You aren't your thoughts. You aren't this body, man. So you gotta realize that meditation strengthens your intuition. It strengthens your connection with your higher self. I'll make another video about meditation. Don't worry. But number 3, this shit damn near the most important, okay? Vegan diet, lemon water. Oh, so this is my motherfucking lemon water right here. All I do, half a lemon, put this bitch in there. And this is about half a gallon. So all I gotta do is drink 2 of these, and that's my gallon for the day. Boom, look at that bitch in the sunlight. Beautiful, right? So, why should you drink lemon water? Alright, so water has fluoride in it. Fluoride calcifies your pineal gland. Calcifying your pineal gland. The pineal gland is the seat of the soul. So it's your intuition. It's your higher self. Your higher self, your intuition is all into your pineal gland, which is your third eye. Okay, which relates to the third eye chakra. Calcifying this covers your intuition, so you don't really know what the fuck to do. You're confused in life, all that shit. So we can't be having that. We gotta connect to our higher self. That's the most important. Drinking alkaline water is just drinking better quality water is how you decalcify your pineal gland. Or, well, not technically decalcifying your pineal gland, but you're just not putting something in your body that literally calcifies your pineal gland. Alkaline water can be kind of expensive, whatever. Get tap water, put it in a gallon, put it in a bottle, put some lemons in that bitch. Lemons cleanse it. Lemons wash up the fluoride, wash up all that nasty shit. Put it in the sunlight. Put it in the sunlight for an hour or 2, 30 minutes, whatever. And then put it in, the fridge or the freezer to get a little cold. And then boom, that's all you gotta do. Boom. Cheap way how you can not drink any of that fluoride water. All good, right? And it just tastes better, to be honest. Right? Now, vegan diet. Okay. You have to realize that red meat resonates at this. This is the lowest vibration you could possibly be in. This is the root chakra. This is bad. Okay, so because meat is red, it resonates at this vibration. And that might be like pseudoscience for some of y'all, but you gotta realize colors is everything. That's why stop signs are red. Stop signs are red because it means caution. It means stop. It's your root chakra. When you see red, it's like, oh, scary. That's why your blood is red. Okay, telling y'all, that's why your blood is red. Because when you see red, it's like caution. It's like scary. It's root chakra based thinking. It's survival. Okay, that's why stop signs are red. Traffic lights are red. That's why it goes red, which is this chakra, and then it goes yellow, which is caution, which is sick, which is solar plexus, and then it goes green. Why does the stoplights relate to the chakra? Because it's all connected, it's all one, okay? So enough of that. But you get what I'm saying? Vegan diet helps you raise your vibration. That's why you should eat fruits that are more colorful. Eat bananas, avocados, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Apples. Apples are red, but you get what I'm saying, bro. Like, stop eating meat. Meat resonates at a low vibration. When you eat meat, when you consume meat, you have to realize everything has a vibration, everything has an energy source. So if those animals died and they had fear within themselves, When you eat the food, you're going to have fear, you're going to have anger, you're going to have anxiety. Where is all this anxiety coming from? This anxiety is coming from you eating an animal who had a lot of anxiety because it just got slaughtered, okay? Meat is the root cause of damn near every disease. Okay, I know I can't just say that and not back it up with evidence. That's why I'm coming out with the video on why you shouldn't be eating meat, and that's bitch. It's gonna come out soon. So just wait for that. Stay subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that, so you can check out that video why you shouldn't be eating meat, because I'm gonna go in deep. I'm gonna go into the science. I'm gonna go into all that shit, okay? But yeah, for now, stop eating meat, transition to a vegan diet. I know it's kind of hard to just go cold turkey, even though it is possible. It's kind of hard to go cold turkey. So I say knock out, stop eating burgers, stop eating steak, stop eating red meat first, then stop eating chicken, then stop eating fish, and then you know what I'm saying, just you can go slow with this process, but eventually you're gonna have to knock out all that shit because that lowers your vibration for sure. Okay, number 4, get any nature you can. In a few more minutes, ooh, that sun's shining bright, so I'm gonna have to get out in nature, okay? In a few more minutes, I'm about to get out in nature, and it's cold. It's cold outside. I live in Illinois. It's cold as fuck. All right, it's mid-October, end of October. It's cold as hell. It's hot though. I can just put in layers, bro. I got a hoodie. No fuck. So yeah, just because it's cold, because whatever happening. Get out of nature, bro. Just get what you can. Get what you can. You know what I'm saying? Go to the store. Walk to the store. You know what I'm saying? Don't drive everywhere. Don't drive everywhere just because you can. Walk to the store. You know what I'm saying? Get your nature, bro. Breathe in that product, bro. Breathe in that air. Yes, the air is a little bit poisonous. It's a little bit poisonous, but it's okay, bro. Just most of it is good. So just breathe in that product. Breathe in that air. You know what I'm saying? Just get your nature, man. It's beautiful out here. It's beautiful out here. Alright? So when you get into nature, bro, you gotta realize nature has its own vibration. Nature vibrates at a very high level. So once you get into nature, your vibration makes into with nature's vibration, and then you just at a higher vibration naturally. I'm sure we can all resonate with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure we all have been in nature and it feels amazing. Why is that? Because your vibration is raising. So get into nature. It's very grounding. It heals that root chakra. It helps you ascend into those higher chakras. And it's just something to do. So get in nature as often as you can. Clean often. Clean. Okay? I don't want to talk. My room's kind of clean. I don't want to show y'all, but it's all right. But I usually keep my room pretty clean because I just like cleaning, bro. I like cleaning dishes. I be cleaning up because I know I'm aware that it raises my vibration. So when you clean, it's like once you clean something external, it feels good because you're also cleaning something internal. Whether that be your anxiety, your depression, your any bullshit that you got into, it's cleaning that. As above, so below, right? So that goes with anything. It literally goes with anything. That's what it means. So when you're cleaning something externally, you're cleaning something internally. When usually a lot of people can contest to this, I'm sure. When your room's dirty, something's wrong with you. You just feel lazy today, or you got something's going on with you on the internal, okay? So when you don't clean the external, you're not cleaning the internal. As above, so below. One more time. Eat slower. So eat slower, enjoy your food, have gratitude towards your food, all that. Meditation. I say meditation in every single one of my videos. Meditation. 5 to 10 minutes, even sometimes meditate for 30, 45 minutes, bro. It boosts your mood. If you really want your mood to be overall good, if you really want to get over your anxiety, your depressions, your fears, your doubts, your indecisions, all that bullshit, gonna have to meditate. Meditate 45, 30 minutes, change your goddamn life. All right. Number 3, vegan diet, lemon water. Once again, water has fluoride in it. it calcifies your pineal gland. Your pineal gland is the seat of the soul. It gives you intuition. It helps you overcome, fears, doubts, and indecisions. You're gonna have to drink a source of water that does not have fluoride in it. So alkaline water or lemon water, whichever you prefer, that's up to you. Just don't drink that fluoride shit. And then vegan diet, once again, meat resonates at this vibration. You're gonna have to, if you really wanna raise your vibration, you wanna ascend from the root chakra, meat to root chakra, survival base, all that shit. You wanna ascend from all that. That's not good. Right? We don't vibe with that. No. Okay, so get any nature that you can. Hug your trees, love your trees, have gratitude for your trees. They give you oxygen, bro. You're literally breathing in the gift of the earth, the gift of the trees, man. Appreciate that. So love your trees, hug your trees, get your nature. Maybe it might be cold, it might be raining, but maybe even just sit on the porch and just breathe in that beautiful product. That's all you need. Clean often. What you see externally is what you are internally. So if your room's dirty, inside, you're probably a little dirty, to be honest, right? If your room's clean, you're clean. Once you clean something externally, you're cleaning something internally. This goes with anything. Cleaning dishes, doing all these things, doing little chores just around the house, you know what I'm saying? Just some things, listen to your music, jam out. I be dancing and shit when I'm doing the dishes. I be dancing and shit when I'm cleaning my room. Just clean up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? What you clean up externally is what you clean up internally. Once again, as above, so below. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. This is 5 ways to raise your vibration. If you want to see more videos and more tips about how to raise your vibration, just leave me a comment, all that. So like, subscribe, share this with your homies, share this with your friends, all that. More videos coming soon. I'll probably do another video about this because there's multiple ways to raise your vibration. There's a lot of ways, okay? It's infinite, really. So that's infinite videos, goddamn. Yeah, I really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. And I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'll see you later. Peace out.